Raise your hand if you love doing your nails, but you need a better way to organize. Well, I've got you covered. You can always count on me to find the best organizing things for us both because I love organizing. This is a polish suitcase. You know what? It's made out of the material like a makeup bag is made out of. So it's very similar to that. And then it's got a nice deep handle, not a comfy handle, but a good one for carrying. The zippers are smooth sailing. The zippers do not get stuck at all. Now, this color gray, boring as all get out. And I wouldn't normally pick gray things. I needed something better because it's not just the polish that this thing organizes. And I knew I was gonna love it. I just wish that it came in purple or pink or turquoise, not gray. Okay, let's look at the inside. We've got a zipper pocket right here. And then we've got a slip pocket here and here. And then down here, we've got this little Velcro piece. You can make it smaller, the pocket bigger or smaller, or just take it out all together. And this side is Velcro, and this side is Velcro, and then this is Velcro. I've had purses that are like this. It's actually really handy to have these little dividers. And then in the bottom, it's little pockets for fingernail polish. Now, this is that really thick, hard foam. You can hold 36 fingernail polishes in here. And then here we've got another zipper. You can put it in there. This is very much like a travel makeup bag, but it's for fingernail polish, so you can travel with it. I don't fly in an airplane, but maybe if you're going on vacation for a few weeks and you want to take this, or you're going to see a friend, you're going to stay overnight in a hotel and you want to bring your nail polish, this is such a great way to travel with it. But it's also just a great way to store it at home too. And then here we've got some little pockets. If you bring in nail brushes, I don't even know what you'll put in here. Let's put a few things in mind so we can get an idea. And again, it's got this second part that zips up just nicely. And once it's all zipped, it actually is quite tall. You can fit a lot of stuff in there. The little zipper pulls are black, plain metal zipper pull. Wouldn't it be great if they were something else? I don't know what. The bag needs to be this color. Let's put some fingernail polish in here just so you get an idea. I've got two different bottles. The Sally Hansen bottles are notoriously bigger than other bottles. And they fit in there perfectly. You can organize them by color. You can organize them by brand. You can organize them by what kind of polish it is, like quick dry, top coat, whatever. These are Insta Dry. Opie now has a rapid dry, so that's fantastic. I've got my little tiny gel nail remover from O'Hara. It's smaller, but it still goes right in there. And I've got my Mani Maker from Dermalect, and we can put it in the top. It's perfect for this. And I brought along a couple of packages of nails. These are fake nails and these are nail stickers. This is actually what I'm wearing right now. This is the brand. This stuff is amazing. Goes right in there. And let me just show you, this one is a little tiny bit taller than the lip, but by the time this one comes down, there's plenty of room. I'm gonna zip it all up and show you. It's not smashing down on the fingernail polish because it gets really big. And I have so much more I can put in there. Should I have brought everything out and just done it all? Love this because I love organizing things. It's not enough just to have the fingernail polish. I like to have it organized. So I'm so happy I found this. I'll have this linked for you below. If there's any of this fingernail polish that you're interested in, I'll have it linked also. This, amazing. I'm doing a complete video on this because I loved it so much. That is going to be on my Mascara to Midnight channel. So I'll also link that channel for you. It's a lot. I got a lot going on. And if you have not subscribed, I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers this summer. I'm going to need your help. We can do it together. I'll help you find things like this to organize your polish, and you subscribe and we're working together on this. Let me know your favorite nail polish color and your favorite nail polish brand. I'll see you real soon.